how to use Amex gift card balance or how to use your American Express gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use your Amex gift card. Now, you can easily use your gift card on any merchant that accepts American Express as the payment method. For example, there is the Amazon or the Target. So what you can do is you can simply head into that particular website where you're trying to make a purchase. For suppose Amazon. Now Amazon accepts American Express as its payment method. So you want to go ahead and you want to add items to your cart, and then you want to proceed to checkout. On the checkout, it'll ask you to enter in your payment details, right? You want to select the credit or debit card, and you want to enter in your gift card details, like you enter in your credit card details. On your name, enter in your name, and on the address, enter in your billing address, and you'll be good to go. So this way you'll be able to use Amex gift card online. However, you'll have to make sure that your gift card balance is enough to pay for your item that you are trying to check out, or else it won't work. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.